Hi guys, so what I've got here is a knife, kitchen knife. Let me show you the end. It's all bent over. Somebody's used it as a screwdriver. And also there, where it's been sharpened, you can see the grooves in the back of it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my angle grinder to take those out and hopefully have a better knife at the end. First thing I should do, I should take off the blade from the back, so that's where it's flat, and I will take it down to meet the other bit. Then I will shape the blade and hopefully we'll get rid of that. So here we go. Lots of sparks, lots of fun. Okay, so I've taken some of the point off so far, but you can see the metal is blued slightly on the end. That's where it's got a little bit overheated with the thing, so you need to be careful of that. And I'm going to carry on and I will take that off, so bear with me. So it is a little bit rougher. We can see I've taken off most of the bad point there. There is some blade markings on the blade, but we'll sort that out later. First, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to have a go at the back bit, but I need to take that heel off as well. Okay, so what we've done now is looking a bit rough and ready. You can see, especially around there, it is sharp as hell, let me tell you. And got a nice little point there, and it is, so if you can see that, it's totally flat, but it doesn't look very good. Looks a bit rough and ready. So what we're going to do is we're going to finish it with sandpaper, which I have here. Okay, so I've done a rough thing on the sanding, still a bit rough, so I'm going to use my Dremel with a polishing wheel to finish that off. Okay, so as you can see, we've taken that heel off, we've taken off that nasty dent, we've taken off the point. It is sharp, but what it will need is taking off those rough burrs on the edge with a kitchen steel, and that's ready to go back into the knife block.